friends, I am Ankit and let's see what is going to happen today in gold and silver, which position we should take, where to enter, where to exit and what could be the trading behavior. Let's try to find out with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Let's start the day with gold first. Listen to it carefully and then followed with that we'll look into silver, so do watch till the end. Now this is the hourly charts. Clearly 1855 is the resistance. With that it is trying to give you lower lows and again coming back into this zone. However, look at this, it is still trying to trade within this channel. And yes, 1855 is the resistance. Again I will recommend you to go short only at 1845 level. Once you see it dropping below 1845, see it is consistently trading in range for now many days. It is failing to break on the downside, failing to break on the upside either, so it is still indecisive. And yes, we have to make some little profit, and that is why you can go short at 1845 for 1842.40 zone, and below that it may try to go till towards 1836. Also look at this, it is trying to give you lower highs here on the hourly charts, and hence probably we may see it again coming back till towards 1836 and below levels. Now look at the directional movement is bullish, it is trying to converge. Stochastic is dropping there. MACD is on the verge of a crossover for a sell there, but this is just hourly charts, and RSI is also looking downwards. Now look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour chart, this is the fourth red candle. See, high drop, lower highs is starting to drop, so it is trying to create a channel of its own. Probably the support here at around 1836-37 levels is again going to be important. Probably it can try to go till there. If it breaks below 1845, you can remain short for 1842.40, and then 1835-36 and below levels also can be achieved. At the same time, breaking beyond 1855, we will go long again for 1858, 1860, and beyond that it will fly. Directional movement is crossing over for a bearish move. Stochastic is dropping. MACD is trying to converge and cross over for a bearish move again. RSI is trading flat. And if you look at the 3-hour chart, similarly on the 3-hour charts, you can see lower highs here, and with that it is again trying to drop from here. But I'll recommend, see, also this is the 3-hour chart, and this is a breakout candle, and hence probably we may see further more red candles here, and hence it can try to go till towards 1845 first, and then below 1845 we may see it going till towards 1842.40 zone. So possibly with the stop loss at 1855 one can remain short, but yes, it may try to trade very narrowly in range, and there is a support there at 1850 right now, and below that we may see it going till towards 1845. Below that we may see it dropping till towards 1842.40 and then 1836 level. Only long entry is above 1855. Directional movement is on the verge of a bearish crossover. Stochastic is on the verge of a drop there. MACD is trying to converge right now, trading in green, and RSI looking downward. Similarly, if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts too, here it is diminishing the bullishness, here it is a reversal, and it is trying to drop from here. Now even if it has to come back till here 1845 levels, so that is going to be the target, first target. Below that only we can say that it is trying to revert, but how far this could drop, this can again come back till towards 1835-36 levels, and if it breaks that we can see a sharper drop, and on the upside breaking 1855 there is going to be a sharper rise. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is overbought, now looking forward to a drop from here. The MACD is trading in green, but without any divergence, indicating hardly any bullishness there. The RSI is also curving down there. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts too, lower highs are done. And remember, if it breaks past 1855, we have to go long there, and then one can remain long on gold, and then it can try to show you strong upside. We can see a sharp reversal if it trades above 1855 levels. Till the time it trades below 1855, one can expect, because the previous candle has shown lower low, so it is again trying to trade within this channel itself. There is a support at 1847, 1845 levels, and if it breaks this, yes, there is going to be another drop which might take it till towards 1836 levels. Directional movement is bearish on the daily charts. Stochastic is dropping. The MACD is trying to converge, and the RSI is trading flat. Considering this, again same levels, 1845 go short, 1855 go long. Rather one can remain short below 1855 till the time it is below 1855, and one can expect it to drop till towards First target 1845.47, then 1842.40, and then below that we may see it going till 1835.36 zone, and after that we may see it dropping sharply. If it continues to break below 1835, we can see a sharper drop. Above 1855, go long for 1858.60 first target, and beyond 1860 it will fly strongly till towards 1870, 1875, even 1880 levels can be achieved. So take your positions accordingly. Above 1885 go long, above 1855 go long, stay long, it is going to fly high, take your positions accordingly. So now let's have a look at silver. Silver on the hourly charts too, reversal indication here, and that is why it is trying to drop. The support here at 22 22.10 levels is going to be strong. Once it breaks past 22.10, there is going to be a sharper drop till towards 2200, and below levels we may see it going till towards 2190, 2180 levels. Go short at 22.10, probably we may see a little drop there. Directional movement is bullish here, trying to converge. Stochastic has dropped drastically without any real movement in silver prices. Still it has dropped. MACD is trying to converge here and crossover for a bearish move. The RSI is also looking downwards. Similarly, if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts too, it is trying to reverse back a bit. This is a reversal indication. The support here at 22.10 levels is going to be strong. Below that, we may see it dropping. See, here it is the support at 22.0304 levels. And once it drops below that, we may see it going till towards 2190. Any reversal beyond 2230, go long. So in between 2210 and 2230, do not trade. Directional movement is bullish here, trying to converge and crossover. Stochastic is looking downwards here, and if you look at the MACD, it is trying to converge. RSI is sloping downwards. Similarly, if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, here is the reversal. Here is the breakout out of this channel, and now it is trying to give you sharper red candles. Probably we may see it continuing the red candles. It can come back till towards 2200 before it looks over to any support and looks over to rise. And yes, below 2200, then 2190, very strong support, and below that we may see it falling strongly on the downside. This is going to be a breakout if it falls below 2180. On the directional move is bullish here, trying to converge crossover for a bearish move. Stochastic is overbought, now looking downwards. MACD is still in green, however running parallel. RSI is also looking downwards, and if you look at the 4-hour charts, similarly a reversal candle at the end of this trend indicating probable drop. This is the drop here. Probably we may see couple more red candles. First target at 2200, next target is probably at around 2195, and then below that 2190, 2180 levels can be seen. That should be considered a breakout. With the stop loss at 22, with the stop loss here at 22.25, one can remain short. So yes, with the stop loss at 22.25, one can remain short of silver, but do not remain short till above 22.25 levels. And yes, one has to go long about 22.30 levels. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is overbought. MACD is trading flat, and if you look at the RSI is also looking downwards. Similarly, if you look at the daily charts, now coming back to the daily charts, on the daily charts we have seen till now flat bottom, rather slightly lower lows, and you can see lower highs here. So yes, any move beyond 2130, go long, 2230, go long there. Beyond 2230, we can see a sharper rise till towards 2250 levels, and beyond that is also possible. Till the time it trades below 2230, and yes, if it drops below 2210 there, probably we may be seeing here till 2205, 2200, and then 2190 level. So there are supports till 2190, and breaking below 2190, we can expect a sharper drop in silver prices. Today we may see it going till towards 2180, 2160 levels. So go short at 2210, rather with the stop loss at 2225, one can remain short on silver, and one can expect it to drop till towards 2190 levels. 2200 first target, 2195 and 2190 second targets, and below that a sharper drop is awaited. And yes, a reversal confirmation is if it trades above 2230 levels. Beyond 2230, one can expect that it is going to fly high till towards 2250 and plus levels. Directional movement trading flat. MACD is in green. RSI is also trading flat. So take your positions accordingly. Go long at 2230 only, and till the time it is below 2225, one can remain short for 2200. First target 2200.05, 2200, then 2195 and 2190, and below that a sharper drop is awaited. Take your positions accordingly. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to join my mentorship batch and the free Telegram channel or the VIP signal group. Reach out to me for details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much.